Hello guys, so today we're going to try the Wishlock ultrasonic cleaner. This is a jewelry cleaner and it's also a clock. And this is the instruction on how to set up your clock. And these are the washable supplies that. Alright, I'm just gonna set up the clock later, but for now I have my water here, so we can start. So it says add water up to, that is the maximum water you can add. I'm gonna put a little lower than that. And this is one of my rings. See, as you can see right now it's not as shiny. I also gonna add some soap. So it comes with this holder as well, but you can put it directly if you want, but this time, since it's there, I'm gonna use it. So we're gonna add the water. Okay, and okay, maybe a little bit more. A little soap. We're gonna just have to press this button here 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It will set the time. That sound is normal, like a flickering sound. If you want 3 minutes or 5 minutes, so I'm choosing the 3 minutes for now. It will automatically shut off when the 3 minutes is over. And then after that, we're gonna wash it off. We're gonna wash it with water. Oh my goodness. I have to wash this, and also my ring is here too. Oh wow, it's a lot shinier. Okay, so this works really good. If you guys want to check this out, I'll link it in the description box below. I'm just gonna clean it. Look how shiny it is. Umulan na naman, patatlong araw na to guys, ng ulan. Walang tigil ang ulan. Grabe! Ano ba yan? May bagyo na naman. May ano kanina eh. Hindi ko alam kung tornado warning or thunderstorm. Ano ba yun? Basta something warning. Ay. Ang nakakatakot nito yun nga, yung tornado warning. May tornado. Hala, malala. Ayan. 3 days in a row na. Oh my. Okay. Ayan na. Mga bata, ano? Nandun sila sa tiny house. Tapos guys, magluluto ako ng egg roll bukas kasi meron kami nadadalhan ng pagkain. Ako yung naka-assign dun sa isang pamilya kasi may sakit. Yung naoperahan sila. Mag-asawa sila na bagong opera yata. So, hindi sila makakapagluto. So, ako, naka-assign ako tomorrow. Ang gagawin ko na lang is simple lasagna. Yung hindi man lasagna, yung baked pasta. Ayan. Muna ako. Tapos, meron tayong tomato sauce. Tapos, lagyan mo lang ng cheese sa ibabaw. Huy! Oh my! Wow! Uy! Nasaan na yung mga bata? Wow! Oh, teka lang. Ba't wala yung mga bata? Ando sila sa tiny house. Uy, grabe yung dumaan na yun. Grabe, ang lakas ng hangin, guys. Hala. Nako, mga bata. Si Ben. Come on. Ayan sila. Umuwi na. Sabi ko na eh. What happened? Oh my goodness. That was so windy and oh my goodness.
And it's almost, and the arch for their grapes is bending
Really?
like this. It's
Which one
ready
grapes?
to
The new
get
one?
out of... No, the old one that the bird planted in the garden.
Oh.
It starts bending, getting out of the ground.
Oh.
No,
Great.
the flowers are on the...
It's open. Oh my goodness, wow. It's okay, we're sorry. Yeah, it's sorry. Yeah. No. Oh my goodness. It's rain. Yeah, I mean, too much rain. Yeah, a lot of rain. Whoa.
Video. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Oh, wow.
much rain. Are the windows?
A branch could fall and blow into the window and crack the window.
Mom and Dad's window's wide open from the front.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Well, it's probably bigger. I'm gonna check. Yeah.
My goodness. So much rain. Whoa. Whoa.
Wow. It's okay, we're good.
That
We're
looks like
inside.
it's gonna fall.
Yeah,
Bend here.
as long as we're inside. Can we turn the news and see? Did you hear the siren?
Yeah.
I heard it. Whoa. Oh, what
That's
is
the
the garage door?
There is a door.
Okay, right there. Oh, Ben, look. Water from the rain is pouring out on that chair. Yeah. And I ran with this paper through the storm.
I see that. I saw you.
At least we're
Yeah. See that?
Yeah.
Ma, do you know that all that land...
It isn't too powerful.
Before we moved here, all that land used to be built, used to be full with, it used to
Mama,
have like a giant
Mama,
three-story house over there.
Mama,
But now
I discovered something on Google Maps.
What?
it used to be Domino's.
Ah. It used to be Domino's.
Ah, long time ago.
Yeah,
time
the
ago.
sign is the same, but different writing on it.
Oh.
It used to be
Mama,
Domino's.
and
Wala kang guys. Oh, bilis. Ano ba yung brakes? Ano ba yung
laga ako ng manok kasi bukas magagawa ako ng egg roll, guys. Bukas. So, yan. Okay, so hayaan lang natin kumulo. Siguro papatayin ko na kasi mainit pa yan. Gusto kong pumunta dun sa tiny house. Siguro pag tumila na. Malakas pa eh. Naku, hindi pa pwede, guys. Naku, yan naman yung mga kahon namin. Grabe, ang lakas pa lang ng ano, maya-maya na lang. Kasi sabi ng asawa ko, nakabukas na yung bintana ni na mother. Si mother kasi lagi nang binubuksan na naampiyas yung tubig. So, pag umampiyas, magkakamolds ang bahay. Hindi niya kasi sinasara. So, hindi ko alam kung paano makakalabas. Malakas pa. Maya-maya na lang. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung mga kapatid. Oh my goodness. Tumaob na naman. Oh. Wala na ito. Tatamlang ko pa yun. Saka ako na yan. Baka mapayod ulit. Bebang! So, tingnan guys natin. Ang damage. Ano ko may... Ano kay Manong na garden medyo... Okay naman, kaya lang nahalibas ng hangin. Dito naman. Nako, naputol. Naputol. Ala, may ano, naputol na mga, ayun oh. May naputol. Kay Manong yun. Ito yung aming ano, solar na light. Okay. Ito yung aming upuan. Saan galing to? Ah, ito yung sa tiny house. Grabe, nalipad siya, oh. Nalipad. Aray ko po. Ito eh. Ako. Ayun pala yung sasabi mga bata, yung grapes mo, mami. Nakahapay. Yung pala yung grapes natin. Hindi pa naman nabunot. Okay lang. Yung cilantro medyo okay naman. Kung aking pananim. Ang inaalala ko, ang aking pananim. Ang aking ampalaya. Buti hindi nabunot. Ayan ako po. Aray, pwedeng isiga. Ay, naku po, natakpan yung aking yung aking kalabasa. Ang kalabasa ko. Ang mga kalabasa ko. Hindi naman, okay naman. Talagay ko na lang dito para okay. Ito pa. Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako. Ito yung laro ng mga bata. Nakala ko kung ano. Uy, malaki tong isa na to. Ako, nagiba yung kay kuya. I'm sorry. Ayun guys. Okay, okay lang naman. Ayan. Ito yung sabi ng mga bata, Mami. Yung ano mo. Uy, nabunot yung ano ko, yung yung aking pinakabalag. Kaya lang baka umulan pa eh. Naku, sira na. Lagyan ko lang mga kahoy. Next time maulan pa eh. Okay guys, pasok na ako. Chinek ko lang. Okay.